So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that the possible values of k for which this limit value is equal to half we have to tell. So for what values of k this limit is equal to half. So this is the problem. So this is multiple choice correct problem. So let's see how we can do this. So first of all we take the case when k is equal to 0. So in that case what will happen? So this numerator is 2 multiplied by x cube minus tan inverse x whole cube. So this is as it is. And in the denominator, because k is equal to 0, this thing will goes to 0 and this thing will also goes to 0. And we know cot inverse 0 value, it is equal to pi by 2. So this thing will become pi by 2. So we have this thing and these two become 0. Now you can divide this numerator by x cube, this x cube, and you will have 2 minus tan inverse x divided by x whole cube, and in the denominator you will have this 8 by pi multiplied by pi by 2. Now for x is equal to infinity, we know tan inverse infinity is pi by 2. This tan inverse infinity is pi by 2, and in the denominator we have this infinity. So this thing will goes to 0. So for x tending to infinity, this limit will goes to 0, and the remaining thing is only this 2, and here you will have this 4. So this will become like 2 by 4 and it is equal to half. So for k is equal to 0, this limit value is half, and so k is equal to 0 is one correct option. So now let's check for non-zero values of k. So when k is not equal to 0, so what we can do? So from this denominator, this whole denominator, you can take this x cube outside, and you will have this x cube outside, and here you will have this 8 by pi multiplied by cot inverse of mod of kx, and this k square. Here you have sine of 1 by x cube, and if you take x cube outside from this, remaining thing is this, and this x cube you can write as in this way, like this 1 by x cube, and here you will have this k square. So this whole thing you can write in this way, and here we have minus 3k after taking this x cube outside. So we have this. Now you can divide this numerator by this x cube, and you will have this 2 minus tan inverse x divided by x whole cube, and for x is equal to x tending to infinity, this cot inverse infinity is equal to 0. So this cot inverse infinity is equal to 0. So this whole thing will goes to 0, and this limit, if you will see, it is sine 0 by 0 form. So this limit we know it is 1. So this limit will 1, and here it is minus 3k. So this will become k square minus 3k. And for x tending to infinity, again this thing will goes to 0. So the remaining thing is only 2 divided by this k square minus 3k, and we want the values of k for which this limit is equal to half, because we want to find out the values of k for which this limit is equal to half. So we are equating this thing to half. So from here you will get one quadratic equation. So you can take this 4 to the left hand side, and you can write this minus 3k as minus 4k plus k. Then you can take k common from these two, and you can write in this way. So you will get two factor, one is k plus 1 and another is k minus 4. So you will get two values of k, one is minus 1 and one is 4. So this is also correct and this is also correct. So A, B and D options are correct, and in this way we can solve this.